In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your account, whether you're using your PC via Chrome or your mobile app. It's a task that's quite simple, yet essential, especially if you're sharing devices or simply want to ensure your account security. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can sign out effortlessly every time. Let's start with the computer, specifically if you're using Chrome. First, you want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser. There, you'll see your profile icon. It might be a photo, an initial, or some special avatar that represents you. Go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, revealing several options you can choose from. The option we are particularly interested in is Sign Out. Go ahead and select that. Now, sometimes you might run into a prompt asking you to confirm this action. If that happens, simply follow the instructions and confirm your intention to sign out. Switching gears, let's talk about signing out on the mobile app. This process is equally straightforward, albeit with slight variations depending on the mobile platform. Once you have the app open, your first destination is the menu icon. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon, usually found toward the top of your screen. Tap on this icon. From the list of options that unfolds, navigate down to find Settings. Tap on Settings, and then look for the Sign Out option. Once you find it, tap it. Just as with the computer, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. If this occurs, tap to confirm, and you will be signed out successfully. It's always a good practice to double check if you have indeed been signed out, especially if you are on shared devices or a public computer. Refresh the page or log back into the app to make sure your credentials are no longer active. This ensures that your personal information remains secure and private. Remember, signing out when you're done ensures that your account remains safe from unauthorized access. It might seem like a small step, but the impact on your digital security is significant.